So we're in Miami Beach. Let me get a good shot of that for you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. But it's not morning. I can see the bus in my reach, so I'll talk to you guys after I get off the bus. Okay, we are out of the house. It was looking really beautiful this morning, so we decided to get out of the house and go down by the promenade. That's a famous street with the beaches and everything, just to really kind of enjoy the day and unwind and relax a bit. But it's starting to look a little bit cloudy, but we decided to go anyway, so we're on our way. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. I haven't talked to you guys all morning because Babe and I has been busy cleaning. We cleaned the entire house, right, babe? Say good morning. We cleaned the entire house and we got so much things done, which is super good. Tyler is here just chilling in his stroller. You wanna say hello, baby? Hey, say hello. Say hi. Say hi, Papa. Nothing? You just chill? He's actually a bit quiet because he haven't taken a nap all day. He's been up roaming with us and all over the place. So we're just going out to have a good day. I did not work out today. It's Sunday and I worked out yesterday. That's what's up for today. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys get your workout in, stay positive, stay motivated, and we'll catch you guys when we reach down by the promenade because we're in the bus right now, okay? Back to my old self today. My cramping is gone, thank God. My mother nature just take me over last night and I just wasn't my old self, but we all here today. We all here just strolling around the beach. This is what the weather looks like today. It's beautiful as usual. I can see a few people along the beach where we are right now, but as far as my eyes can see, there's a lot more people up there. And of course I'll be looking for an ice cream spot because I feel for ice cream. So if I see ice cream and crepe, then that's what it's gonna be. That's definitely what it's gonna be. Wants to enjoy the walk, so he wants to stop and sit down. I honestly think it's because he's tired, but he's trying to shield it with enjoying the walk thing. Oh, you guys, on that note, the Jamaican expression for today is
yeah, slap you girl.
where you got that from?
From you.
That's
Who else? From you.
You guys, the Jamaican expression for today is rondeso.
No, I just
Say
said what
no.
Yes, slap you girl.
No. You're crazy.
One deso.
Ron
One
deso.
deso.
Right. Round deso simply means around there.
Okay, one deso.
If, like, for example, if somebody said to me, Mel, where are you going? I'm not going to say I'm going around there. I'm going to say me I go round deso. Round deso. That's as simple as it gets. So make sure you get it. You get it, make sure you get it. That's the Jamaican expression for today. And there you have babe, take on it. Babe, say it again.
Me I go one deso.
Right. And Tyler is still, well, Tyler actually fall asleep. There he is. He's napping away. So I hope he'll be waking time for the ice cream break. You know the thing about this street that we're walking on, it's called Promenade des Anglais. It's the street of the English. So they name a lot of spots here of places in USA. So this one says this spot is Miami Beach, right there. So we are actually in Miami Beach right now. We're looking at the menu. Baby, you're in Miami?
I am in Miami right now.
So we're in Miami Beach. Let me get a good shot of that for you. Right there. Miami Beach. So surprise, we're in Miami. This one says we're at Florida Beach. Let me show you guys a sign of this one. But they're doing some work on the road, so I can't get too close. So if you see this one, say we're at Florida Beach, right there. So I guess in summer they cover off the city section, and then that's what represents actually Florida Beach. But that's pretty cool. But now for ice cream. You guys, so this is our ice cream. We're getting ice cream and crepe, and we're gonna share because we don't want to have too much. So we're gonna share this yummy ice cream, and our crepe is coming up. We're having crepe Nutella, and this is a crepe, you guys. Oh, yummy! Wait. down on the beach and enjoying the afternoon. Tyler's having fun playing in the stones. But I need to make it a point of duty to put a towel under Tyler's stroller when I get home, because these stones, when you sit on them, it make your ass white. And I can't show you babe pants just now because he's gone for a walk down by the beach. There he is right in front of me. And we're just sitting right by the airport, so we're seeing all these planes passing by. If you're hearing all that noise, that's what it is. So we're just chilling and enjoying the beach. Right, Tyler? You're having fun? Hmm? You're picking up stones. Stones. Tickle your foot bottom. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle your foot bottom. Look at this messy shirt. Messy, messy. Just finished having his dinner. We got back home from off the road. We had a really good time out. And I came home and cooked dinner. And we ate. And now it's Tyler dinner time. He just finished eating. You like that? Do you know what that is? Oh, got you. 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 Oh, cut your fingers. Cut your fingers. Oh, cut your fingers. Cut you. Oh, cut you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. So you guys, this just happened. He started just after I talked to you guys, he started rubbing his eyes and crying. I think that something was in his eye, one of his eye, maybe his eyelash or something. So I just took him and flushed his eye out with some water and disinfected the outside. And he just cuddled my hands ever since then and just fall asleep within 2 seconds. He fell asleep. So it's his bedtime. He got no bath. He still in his same clothes. So I'm just gonna put him down in his bed just as he is. I don't know if he's gonna wake up again for the night or I won't see him again until tomorrow morning, but this never happens. Never ever happens. But this is just one of those days. Moments like these do I cherish, when he just wants to cuddle. Sweet boy. Okay you guys, so Tyler's off to bed. I don't know if he's gonna wake up back for the rest of the night or
No, he won't.
or he's gonna sleep his usual sleep.
Yeah, because it's his time.
But it's a good thing that I had just changed his pampers earlier, so he should be fine. So we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because we have a challenge to go and film, which is going to be pretty exciting. So you guys, if it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe to catch that. And if it's not your first time watching, stay tuned to see what challenge is going to come next. And I realize that you guys are really enjoying these challenges, and we're going to try our best to keep them coming and keep you guys laughing. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. We really had fun out today. How was your day out, babe?
That was okay. That was okay.
What was your favorite part of being out today?
No favorite part. I know you're gonna say the food, but it's not. No, just walking and
spending time with
family.
spending
time outside and family time. It doesn't matter where we were, so I don't have any specific moments. Sigh.
So we had a good time, and Tyler had a really fun time playing in the stones and all that at the beach. Spring is coming, and then it's gonna be summer, and he's going to be living at the beach. I just can't wait for summer to see his little tan skin, how beautiful he's gonna be, and playing in all that sun and all that. So we're just gonna stop the chit-chatting and end the vlog here. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and we are at 1,500 subscribers when we woke up this morning, and I can't stop smiling. Thank you guys so much for 1,500 subscribers. We love you guys. Thanks for continue helping us growing. We're 9 months in and we appreciate every single one of our faves. And if you're a new fave, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys. Why is he doing my hair like that though?